Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be a review on the newly launched Faces Ultime Pro Cream Lip Crayons. Now if you haven't watched my previous videos, I've already made a review on the Faces Ultime Pro Matte Lip Crayons, which if you don't know, they are one of my favorite matte lipstick formulas. But Faces has recently come out with the new cream lip crayons. There are 10 shades, I have all of them. So I'm going to give you a review on all of them and I'm going to show you all of the shades on my lips. So if you want to know my thoughts, please keep on watching. So I'm going to divide this video into two parts. The first portion is going to be the review part and I'm going to leave the swatches till the end. So if you're just here for the swatches, you can go till the end and I'm going to swatch all of the shades. And this portion is going to be where I talk about the products, I talk about all the shades, I talk about how they perform and give you a review on all of them. So there are 10 shades in this collection. The shades range from oranges, reds, berry tones, and there are 3 nude shades, which I'm so happy about because if you know me, you'll know that I love nudes. I absolutely love nude lipsticks, and especially if they're glossy and creamy, I always prefer them to be on the nude side. But if you like bolder, creamier finishes, you will absolutely love them. Now they are cream lipsticks, they're not matte. So because they're cream lipsticks, they're not going to be transfer proof and they're not going to be extremely long lasting, and they don't claim to be either. So just remember that the finish, as you can see, I'm wearing a mixture of 2 shades. I am wearing the shade, why am I holding all 10 in my hand? I'm wearing the shade Mochalicious on the outside perimeter and Confession kind of in the center. So I have both of these shades on and you can see the finish is glossy. I wouldn't even call the finish creamy, it's just like a straight up lip gloss. I love it. I love the nudie lip glossy kind of finish, and there are 3 nude shades, so I'm very happy about that. There are tons of other shades for those of you who are more adventurous with glossy lipsticks. For me personally, I prefer my glosses to be a little bit more on the nude side, and they are so comfortable to wear. They are absolutely non-drying. You don't need a lip balm underneath. They kind of fill in the fine lines on your lips and give a really nice smooth appearance. If you do have dry patches, I always recommend to scrub your lips and to prepare them before you put on any lipstick. I feel like every lipstick in the world, no matter glossy or creamy or satin or matte or extra matte, all of them look better on lips that are smooth, taken care of, hydrated. So make sure whenever you're applying lipstick, and if you want a nice professional finish, it is always advisable and always better to give your lips a really nice scrub. Just go over with a toothbrush while you're brushing your teeth, or you can easily create a lip scrub with sugar and olive oil and just rub it all over your lips. It'll get rid of any dry patches, plump up your lips a little bit and prepare it for lipstick. So that's how I like to prepare my lips every single day for lipstick, no matter what kind of finish I'm wearing. This is just something that I like to do for a more professional finish. But since these lipsticks are creamy, they're not matte, so they are much more forgiving. If you're someone who finds matte lipsticks to be very drying, you're absolutely gonna love them. I know there are a lot of people who are not on board with the matte trend. Matte lipsticks are everywhere, but not everyone feels comfortable wearing matte lipsticks. Some people love the glossy finish, some people like the comfort of wearing glosses and creams. So just know that this is a very comfortable, very easy to wear kind of lipstick, but the pigmentation on these lipsticks is off the charts. These lipsticks are pigmented, and when I tell you they're pigmented, I'll show you the swatch of my favorite shade. This is I think this is the most nude shade out of the range. This is called Confession. So I'm just gonna show you. You'll see. This is how pigmented it is. So all of them have great pigmentation. So all of them are super pigmented. They're not that sheer or glossy kind of formula. All of them are very beautifully pigmented. They're not sheer. They don't have like a sheer, barely there kind of formula. The color that you see outside in the tube is what you're gonna get on the lips. They come in a packaging like this. Like this is what each lipstick comes in. This is kind of like a black package, and they cost 749 rupees per piece. I think the matte lip crayons cost about 799, 800 rupees. These ones cost 749 rupees. So they're a little bit cheaper than the matte ones. I feel like the nude glossy look kind of makes your lips look really voluptuous and sexy and beautiful. Now because they're so pigmented and they are a thicker lipstick formula, you don't want to go over your lips a lot of times because then you'll kind of get that thick glossy goopy look, which is not very nice. So just go over your lips 1 or 2 times. That should be enough. You will get the pigmentation, but if you go over your lips a lot of times, you will end up with that thick glossy goopy look. So you don't want that. Make sure you only go over your lips 1 or 2 times and you will get the perfect result. The packaging looks like this. They have a pointy kind of tip, and they are roll up, so you don't have to sharpen them at all, which is great, so you don't waste any product. I love the packaging. It's so easy and convenient, and also when you have more than one of these in your collection, it's very easy to spot the color because all of them are color coordinated. You'll see all of them are color coordinated. So they're not going to be transfer proof. They're not the most long wearing lipstick ever because they are glossy, they're creamy. They're not going to be transfer proof. This is just how it is. This is just how creamy and glossy lipsticks are. You should expect that with any glossy lipstick for that matter, because they don't and these don't claim to be transfer proof as well. They don't claim to be extremely long wearing because you can see they're very glossy. So if I put something onto my lips, if I touch something with my lips, if I am drinking from a straw or if I'm drinking something from a cup, it will transfer. It's not transfer proof. I personally prefer wearing glosses when my hair is up in a bun or when my hair is pulled back. I say that with my hair loose right now, but that's because there's no fan. My hair is not moving here and there. But if I go outside in the wind right now, my hair is gonna get stuck to my lip gloss. That's why I like wearing lip gloss when my hair is away from my face. Otherwise, if I wear lip gloss with hair that is loose and I go outside in the wind or there's fan blowing, then my hair will kind of get stuck in the gloss. So you have to keep that in mind with any glossy lipstick again. So I think these lipsticks are wonderful for the price. For 750 rupees, I think they're really nice. You get a lot of color options, you get a lot of variety, and plus they're 3 nudes, so you'll definitely get a nude that suits your complexion. And I feel like all the nudes are made keeping the Indian skin tone in mind, because none of them are extremely pale. Like, none of them would wash you out. I feel like all the nudes are really, really pretty. The one I'm wearing is called Confession. Outside I'm wearing Mochalicious. I think it's really nice. I love the glossy nude look. I've said that so many times. So if you're someone who likes creamy glossy lipsticks, you will love them. Or if you're someone who loves matte lipsticks like me but still likes to collect tons of other lipsticks, you will absolutely love them as well, because they are something that would look really nice, really bold. This is something that will stand out because it is a gloss. Anything that shines catches attention. I love the bold glossy kind of look when you just want to make a statement. This is something that will really do it for you, and there are beautiful shades. So I think I should move on to my lip swatches now. But before we do that, please make sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any more videos like this. You will be notified whenever I post a new video. I do makeup tutorials, reviews, hauls, fun stuff, all of that stuff. So please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of that. And if you like the review, give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and I'm gonna see you in the lip swatches.
Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall. My love, if you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you if you feel like I do right now. Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. Let's have a bit of fun till I downfall, my love. If you feel like I do right now, don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. But you never do. Sugar, there's a